Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in other browsers, so you will be able to recreate the steps on your browser. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button, but if in your case this list is too long to do this manually, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time or 7 days. Up to you. I will pick all time and tap on clear data. As you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.